Want to get a discount on your domain or web hosting from Namecheap? You're in luck. I've got the latest Namecheap coupon codes and promos just for you. Whether you're starting a new site, transferring a domain, or need affordable hosting, Namecheap already gives you great prices. But why pay more when you can save even more? Just click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Namecheap discount. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Once you click the link in the description, it'll take you right to Namecheap's official deals page, where you'll find domain name discounts, hosting offers like shared hosting, VPS, dedicated and WordPress hosting, email hosting deals, website security tools, and more. No need to search for coupon codes. Namecheap makes it easy. You'll either see a promo code to copy, or the discount will apply automatically at checkout. And the best part, these Namecheap deals are updated every single month. So no matter when you're watching this, you're getting the newest discounts available. So hit that link in the description, grab your deal, and save money while building your online presence with Namecheap. If this video helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any questions. I read them all. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates on Namecheap and other tools to grow your website.